Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create 1password account. First go to 1password.com, then click on sign in. After click on sign in, then click on create a new account, then choose a plan. I am going to individual plan, then type your name and email address, then write your email address. After that click on next, then verify your email address, go to your email inbox and paste it here, then click on next, then write a password and retype your password. Click on next, or you can create account and add payment method later. Generate a secret key, then click on save as a PDF, then click on next, then click on open on password. Thank you. Successfully 1password account is created. Now we can use this account for manage our password.